people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, he got fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up if you want. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place getting lies up. You never know, see a little juvenile coulda run in your yard and take a 3 pints. I blame Panny Lane in the street and the main and the bucky man, Jesus Christ. I make him run, I make him out, I make him sleep even nights more. Yeah, dash him when nobody can find us. You must be sick. And a 17, I jump in at this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me think that move swift, me gun them now stick.
Play yourself, I'm not the one, but we can still pretend this can't be my man. You say you're from different.
So hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair, and they sent me this beautiful piano highlighted wig. The lace is pretty broad. I kind of have a lot of space to work with. It actually stops here to here, so it is roughly, I'm gonna put it either 6x6 or 7x6, one of those two, but the specific details will be down in the description box. But before we jump into the packaging and the actual video, guys, just take a moment and look at this wig. The shine that it has is actually crazy. It is so bouncy, so soft, like full of body. I really love it. And to think that it actually came curled and it held up the curls in shipment, and when I got it, all I really had to do was just comb out the curls. I kind of layered the front part just a little bit, but for the most part I really did not do much to the wig. It is also actually glueless because I did not glue it down, but they did cut the lace in like that jagged motion or that jagged pattern, so it really looks melted even when it's not. With that being said, let me show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. They sent me the bag to put the wig in when I'm done wearing it, some clips to help with the installation, stocking cap. I think this is like a wig grip thingy. I don't remember what it is called, but it's pretty much just to hold your wig in place so it does not like slide off. Yeah, so their thank you card, and also a beauty blender that, you know, you can use for your makeup. So that is pretty much it for the hair and the packaging. Now let's jump right into the installation of the wig.
She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid at me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see why your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way you twist and turn, girl. Baby, call me eye to fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get up though. And I know, you know. You want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a dance and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird version. Back it up high, you look right. Your body die me. Oh God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. at the tight and deep. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Why you want to run like a nothing? After you dance on me, have my head stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cares. Cause too many times you said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your heart's icy. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have burned, you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, yeah. Your body need a license, yeah. Yeah, your body have to tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man.
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it. Back shot, somehow you got extra, forget me not. When it's sweet, you, what you say? When you look back at you, I mean that doggy style, puppy whisper. So hot it in the fire fever. If you can't hasta la vista, el afi, ava, rapi, lego, queen, lower, bodo, lover, bodo, cover, tattoo, color, wow, summer. Millie people a pump, pull the post, all up, all of mine, all about, feel it, developers, feel it, developers. Somehow you got extra, forget me not. When it's sweet, you, what you say? By your head, you're not dead. Why? Like a sheet spread, you put 12 left decks that mash up hip head. I go keep my third world girl instead. She Susie, Vicky, so she did it. Rama, Parish, River, Body, Senna, Cosa, Coma, Hattie. When me done it, she asked me, say, Daddy. Billy P, one up and pull up. All up and a mile, all about. Silly dilly developers, fall up. Silly dilly developers. Somehow you got extra. Forget me not. When it's sweet, you, what you say?
So this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video. The link to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys would love to purchase it, definitely check down below. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Play yourself, I'm not the one, but we can still pretend.